Hey guys, it's Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. So I'm back here at Socal Tint shop in Riverside, California. Today I'm gonna test with their Xpel PPF on the self-healing process. So let's check it out how it works. Let's go.
So today I'm gonna show you a self-healing product on actual car that we just did. It's a brand new 2022 Tesla Model S Plaid. Alright, this time I'm gonna be a bad guy and we're gonna try it on this 2022 brand new
Tesla Model S.
As you can see, we're gonna take a wire brush and we're gonna make some scratches, right?
Oh, wow. So that scratches is actually on the Xpel Ultimate Plus paint protection.
And now heat gun is, can you see the scratches here?
Yes.
Okay, now we're gonna
Use the heat gun.
use the heat gun to heal it.
So the heat from the heat gun will heal that scratches that we are seeing right now.
You see it's kind of disappearing?
What? So that's what the self-healing is. So let's say you park outside in the sun, hot enough in the summer.
In the hot summer days,
Like 100-degree outside, right? It should.
it would, yeah.
It
would
should.
take a little bit obviously longer, but they would disappear.
Wow.
They would reach the certain temperature.
Check that out.
Or you can pour a hot boiling water, would heal instantly. Just again, careful guys, not to burn.
Not to burn yourself. Look at that. As you can see, I didn't do any special effects on my video, okay? The scratches are gone, no more. That is crazy. I didn't know and then didn't believe it before. Now I'm a believer on the self-healing. That is so cool. So that's it, guys. Wow, that is so dope. I have not seen anything like that before. Some of you might, but this is my first time seeing it. The real demo that G at Socal Tint shop did for us, and he did on the $130,000 car without being afraid of damaging paint protection that he just did. So if you like the video, click like and subscribe for the future content. See you in the next one. Thank you.